777. This angel number is saying to you today, nothing can stop the blessings that are coming your way. It is already divinely yours. You are chosen for your gift. It is done. Focus on that and watch your blessings multiply. Type yes to affirm. You are about to receive the most unexpected blessing of your life. You are about to meet the reason why your soul had to garner all that patience, humility, and faith. You are about to experience the rare, unparalleled magic of a miracle. Just watch. One day, very soon, nothing will be as it once was. Your path is about to shift for the greater good of your journey. Your recent growth is about to pay off in the most profound and gratifying way. Stay tuned. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.